Today I'm going to be showing you how to answer product questions using Privasee's platform. Often during sales process or while onboarding employees, you might come up with questions about your product or need help answering customer queries. For that, you can go to Privasee's platform, and here, after uploading all your documents to the knowledge base, you can go to the bottom right of the screen where you will find this icon. That's our chatbot AI assistant. And if you click it, you can ask it any question you want, and that way you avoid involving others and create unnecessary bottlenecks. So we can ask it any question we want, such as, what do you mean by verified question? The AI will think and give us a verified question that we can see is factual, as this has been taken from our frequently asked questions in our website. We can ask it any other question, such as, can you help with security reviews or only with RFPs? And the platform will only take a few seconds to come up with a reliable answer. Here is our answer, and down here are the references from our knowledge base of where these documents were taken from. And that's how you answer product questions using Privasee's AI.